it eventually catch it. Honda Civic durability test starts today. Everybody has those guys in their hometown that says that these are the fastest, most durable cars around. So we're gonna definitely try to test that today and see what we get done. Before we get into it though, we always gotta add the channel because, you know, little YouTuber, I gotta support myself and I gotta put myself out there. So we wanna make sure that that's put out there for everybody to see. There we go. I'll do the other side and then we'll get back at you. Dash is pretty strong. Trunk is too. Alright, so now, you know, this is 2001. Interior quality is probably not that great, but we're going to test some things. So like you want to turn on the air conditioning and you really crank on it. So, yeah, it just, yeah, kind of not quality. It just spins right off. And you really, you come in here and turn it on your heat and AC and your kid reaches up and really wants to turn it on. Oh yeah, okay, that one's good. That one's a good one. But you want to change it? Yeah, that's not good. Maybe the vents or something. Yeah, that one's pretty good. You want to turn on your button or something? Still works. Yep. I mean, that's pretty good. What about these buttons? How durable are these? Yeah, AC still, that's staying right on. That one doesn't want to turn off. Well, how about the shifter? How good is the shifter? Yeah, pretty good. What about the handbrake? Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, say you're turn off cruise control. The mirror's not good. That one's cheap. But what about these? You know? Yeah, that's pretty cheap. How about turning off the light? Oh, damn. Still works. Well, that's pretty well made. What about horn? Airbag blows in my face. Still good. Turn on the windshield wipers and stuff. Oh. Yep. Don't get too rough with that one. But this turn signal. Pissed off. Driving down the road. Midday traffic. Got people road raging. Oh, turn it right on. Turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it off. Turn it on. Oh, yeah. Lasted a little bit. That one's still pretty good though. What about these? I'm worried about that airbag smacking me in the mouth. Headliner's hanging a little bit. That just comes with age. Everybody hangs after age. What about this? How's the dash? Yeah, that's not good. These ones are pretty tough. Oh, spoke too soon. That one's tough. I'll tell you that. That'll be all right. You know what? We'll put it back. This Honda's been doing pretty good so far. You know, what about this? Oh, that didn't sound good. I don't know. If you're being rough, doesn't like it. How about this door handle? How's this door handle? No. That one's not good. What if you really wanted to pull up on this? Yep. Baddie's got to get in, unlock it. Yep, that ain't working. Wish I could turn my frickin' windshield wipers off. Alright, Honda, I'll give you that. This thing's hanging on by a thread and it still works. Oh, there we go. Well, it did. I got it to shut off. That's okay. We'll keep it there. Everything else, oh, that's cheap. That's cheap like that. Yeah, door panels are good. Alright, well, I think we should move to the next test of the interior, shall we? Alright, so I've seen many videos of people trying to break one of these windows, these back windows, with the headrest of the seat. And I don't believe it until I try it for myself. So here we go. How about this back a little bit? Ah, look at that door panel. Whew. Yeah, that one might be right. That's safety glass. I just want to break. So now, I need the front doors still, especially for later tests, but we're going to start with this back door. How's it closed? Good now. Let's give it a... Still pretty good. Let's ramp it up. Alright. See how many slams it can take. And man, that's pretty good so far. Oh, the trim's coming off. Yep. Handle's coming off. It's doing pretty good though, I would say. About opening it. That was the failing point, is the handle. That's the failing point. She ain't strong no more.
So that didn't pass.
Give her a swift kick. Oh, there she is. Look at that. Good as new. Yeah. Hinges are strong. Alright, now we're going to give the old trunk a test. Oh, there she took 3 of them. Yep, she don't work no more. Oh, maybe she does. Look at that. Nice lights. Not no more. Alright. Gas filler door. Ooh, that hurts. That's sharp. Let's see what she gives. Yeah, I kind of figured that one. Let's see if she closes. Come on. Close right up. Nope. No, it's not going to work. Oh, she can stay. Now we're gonna do, I don't know if the car's gonna run after this, we'll see. We're gonna do a bow and arrow cluster test. Ooh, right dead center, dude. Look at that. This should run. I mean, there's only electronics behind it. Oof. Give it back though. I broke all the other arrows in my live. If you guys didn't see that, 607 on TikTok, go check them out. They're pretty eventful. Oh, got her. All right, I know we didn't do much, but this is a Honda durability test. And I really want to see if the car will start up. I'm out of breath, it's hot. Now we're gonna do the Danny Duncan bow shot through the mirror. Except this ain't a Tesla. Ooh, broke my arrow. I'll give that one to the Honda. Broke the arrow. These are cheapies, but I'll still give it to him because Danny Duncan's went right through the mirror. All the tips of the arrows are broke off though.
I think this'll work.
Holy! Got it that time. Oh yeah. Whoa. That steering wheel's hard. Now, not part of the durability test, obviously, but I want to give a huge shout out to all these names that came onto my live and gave a follow or subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing more stuff like this. I'm a small channel. I'm looking to grow. I want to create a hobby out of this. So thank you for everybody that supported me today in the live stream, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, so now, because of that last section where that steering wheel is really hard, I want to see what this thing's made out of. It's probably steel, but we're gonna see. Ugh. Oh yeah, look at that. Rock hard. Now, we're gonna do a seat test. How, you know, okay, not gonna rip, right? Okay, didn't rip either. Now we'll put some force into it. Now, that's expected though, you know? Kind of expected. There's a little bit of plastic in there. Let's see about the headrest. Yep. Okay, let's just do a light test. You know, put a nice little mark. Not doing it real hard. But pretty durable, I would say. Not gonna rip underneath your seat, you know, like a leather seat or something. But now we got the fire test. We're gonna see how much heat we can put to the seat before it really catches. Not too bad, not too bad. It's getting my hand hotter than it is catching fire. That's nuts. Wow. All right, Honda. Damn, look at that. Puts itself right out. Holy, look at that. Yeah, it eventually catches it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Get a little bit from my eyes. Oh. We've been running this car a lot, doing all these videos after I got all cleaned up. So I wanted to fuel it back up. Get some price in there. I know that's what all you guys that run these cars, I know that's what they run on, so give me some more. Put it back in its parking spot, and I'll catch you guys on the next durability test when we put that out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.